Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to shorten URL. Right now, a lot of time you copy your link and you realize that the link is very long or sophisticated, right? Or the link is having your real name and you don't want a lot of people to know that you are the real owner of the link, so you just want to shorten the URL and change it in a way that it looks even shorter and even more precise. Right now, in this video I'll be showing you, and please subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping a lot of updates for you guys. Now let's go to Chrome and do that within a minute. Now when you get your Chrome browser, we are going to search for tinyurl. So I'll now search. You can see that's the first one here. Sorry. So that's the first one here, the first link here. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Let me zoom it so that you can see it clearly. This is the tiny URL, right? Then I'll tap on it. It's very simple and easy, so anyone can actually do that. So what you will do here is that you paste the link here, the link which you want to shorten, right? Then you will check the verification here, that's the human verification, and you will click here to shorten the URL. So I'll be tapping on this. Now let's go copy the link that I want to shorten. Right now, as you can see, this link is very long and the link has my name here. As you can see, sparrownetwork.register. So this is my name here, and I wouldn't want people to know that this is actually me sending this link to them. Right now, I will highlight it, copy link, then go back to the URL, tiny URL website. I will now paste it. Can you see? Now you see how long this link is. Then I will click on shorten URL. Look at it here. Then I'll tap on shorten. Let's see. Sharp. As you can see, the URL has been shortened immediately. So can you see it here? The URL has been shortened. So what I will do, I will just tap on this copy arrow, copy sign, and I have copied it. So let me go back and paste it again for you so that you see it yourself. And here we go. So what it means is that these two links now can redirect you to one website. The first one is still the same thing as the second one, but the first one is looking long, sophisticated, and it has my name there. The second one is looking tiny, very short, more precise, and there is no name here. So you can always do this, and that's just it. Very simple and easy.